It's time to test the toString method. And I have two different places that I could do this. So I'm in the dog class. I could go ahead and write some code in the dog's main method to test just the dog class's stuff. I know I'm going to be using the dog from Vet Clinic, which is this other file, so I could also test it here. Typically, if you're doing some testing of a subclass, like a class here that is not going to be the main class of the program, you could put some test code in the main routine, and that would never get called except for when you're doing testing. So here's an example. Let me make a dog. Dog test dog equals new dog. And I could do this and use the setters to set properties. I guess I can show you that one here. Test dog dot set name Lucy, test dog dot set breed pitbull mystery mix. I could also call a non-default constructor like, let's see, here's another one, dog test dog 2, that's new dog, and this time I could pass in the parameters. Louis, unfortunately deceased, the terrierist, 16.6, Dave. So this would also be a much shorter way to accomplish what I accomplished above. And I'm just making these to do some testing in main. Making a couple dogs. Now I want to call dog.toString. Just print it out. Testdog.toString, just because I'm pretty sure the formatting is crappy. So let's see what that looks like. And then I'm going to save. Then I'm going to switch to my terminal view and just build the dog class. Oh, wonderful. Java dog. Oh yeah, so not great. I would like to have some better formatting, and maybe I could actually put some headings. Let's see what might be a good idea. Maybe I will put something like this. Maybe we'll say dogs for post equals put some parentheses around the breed maybe. Maybe put a comma here, and then we'll have put the weight, and then it's in pounds, or I'm using pounds, so something like this. And then we could say maybe owned by. And then the owner name. That might look a little nicer. So I'm going to save that. It doesn't really matter what you do here. I'm just trying to make my output look a little nicer. And then I'll rebuild and see how it went. That's a bit better. So name followed by the breed in parentheses, a weight, and then an owner name. Cool. Let's see what it looks like if I do the other one. Triple click to select a line. Just paste this line and put test dog 2 in there. So I'm printing them out. Oh, you know what? Well, this is print line, so it'll be on its own line. Yeah, I like it. So far, so good.